If no one tells you to get off.
We didn't even see anything.
Because we didn't see any signs, they can't arrest us.
We didn't see any signs saying that.
Yeah, well, we are looking for them.
Peter! I'm pretty sure Pete. No, you need somebody. I think Luca would be the machine
No,
gunner.
Luca would be.
Well, I wouldn't mind. No, actually, who'd be the
gunner.
leader? I think Luca would probably be the leader. To be honest.
No,
Squad
you
leader.
could
Who'd be squad leader?
We
should keep it quiet. Yes, we did. Yeah, there was some guy out there. Do you remember?
What's that actually?
Yeah, there was a guy out there.
In that tank?
Yeah, you must learn to love your right. Wait, who has like a digital phone? Yeah.
What do you mean a digital phone?
Like something which we can press.
He's getting like a shit ton of boxes of vintage vinyl.
Who?
Maddie.
Who was... Don't look down. Do not look down.
So
people can check.
You know what else is wonky?
My penis.
Yeah, Luca's dick.
Oh hey! Holy shit, that's awesome! That's wicked!
Whoa!
Thank you.
Rolling. Nice. Right, my turn.
This is the top, lads.
Yeah. Fuck, if I fell down.
This is it. We made it. All the way to the top. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Nearly went back in.
Are you going to do that?
Yeah. Nah. Not a good plan.
When did you go down, Luke? Don't.
Oh my days, see that graffiti there? Someone's crawled on that beam. Okay.
Put it in your back. Put it in your back.
Properly Assassin's
Guys, it's really quick if you just walk
I
around
could
like
have easily lost my balance and had to go.
Jump to that, go. Yeah!
Why?
Go, man!
That was Luke.
No, let's leave Luke. Yeah, let's go, Luke. We're leaving. Luke, we're leaving. Catch up with us. Right. Come on. We got to get some baby wipes at boots.
Yeah, you gotta jump onto the tire.
No, first step down on that wooden plank. Yeah, there. Step down on there. And then slide your foot onto this rail. Yeah, there you go. Good. Go, Luke, that's fine. That's what we all do. There, now go onto that. There we go. Get both feet on it and jump on the tail. There we go. Wasn't that hard, was it?